everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be using Blingline gel polish and some nail sugar neon pigments to recreate a couple of designs that I saw on Instagram by an account called Henrietta Nails or Henriette Nails, I can't remember, but I'll leave the information in the description box below, and I'm going to show you the pictures that I saw here. I just really love them and I wanted to recreate them, so that is what I'm doing. And I'm going to leave their Instagram link in the description box below. It's one of those accounts that I'll just randomly see a picture and they've got some really good, I'm assuming it's a woman. She's got some really good like step-by-steps in there as well, and videos, and go and have a look. Anyway, it's a really good Instagram account. I really like their content. Anyway, these are the neon pigments that I'm using. These are from Nail Sugar. These are pretty much the only coloured pigments that Nail Sugar have now, other than like I think there's still fairy flakes and stuff. Actually, I want to use fairy flakes in a set of nails that I want to do very soon, but I'm not going to give too much away. Right. So on the tacky layer of Isla, I'm applying the pigment. Now I wanted a neon red, but they don't. Karen doesn't have a neon red, so I thought, right, I'll use pink and yellow as well. Anyway, it turned out that the orange pretty much covers everything. Where the pink is, it does look a little bit darker. So I mean, I wasn't displeased about that. But there was no point using yellow really. Or does it look lighter where the yellow is? Or is that just because there's pink under? I don't know. But anyway, that's what we ended up with. I'm picking crisps out my teeth. Right, this is Ankia. This is the black gel polish. The Blingline gel polishes are available from the Little Nail Shop. You can use my code NATMUG10 to get 10% off. You do have to be a qualified nail tech to purchase the Blingline range though, just be aware. I'm going to use my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush. This is going to be back in stock on the 2nd of November on the Nail Sugar website, so make sure. This is the third lot we've had. The second lot went so quickly. If you didn't get your brush the last time, make sure you grab it this time, because we didn't think that they were going to sell out as quickly as they did. So if you want one, don't hang around. I would suggest you grab one as soon as you can. And what I'm doing is I'm creating some black blobs, and I'm going to leave a little gap between each kind of blob. And then so like between the blobs, you're going to see the pigment. Oh, I just love her. She's got a. I'm just gonna carry this on down the nail. I zoomed in so you could see, but yeah, I will carry this on down the nail in a minute, off screen, because it did take a little while. But she's got another. There's a couple more like little cute Halloween nails that she's done that I really want to try out as well. So I might include those in a set as well at some point. But I'm a little bit worried that it's now the 28th of October. So tomorrow I'm doing an unboxing video. I'm not sure I'm going to have time, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to repeat this all the way down the nail. And this is what we end up with. So I'm going to pop that into the lamp. It reminds me of, no, I've done that actually. Look, I've popped it in the lamp. I'm going to go over with some matte top coat. If you play Minecraft, or if you've got kids that play Minecraft, I know it's a little bit sad, but it's not. It's a really good game and I love it. I play it all the time. It reminds me of a magma block or a magma cube. No, magma block. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. From Minecraft. I love video games. I'm such a child at heart. Right, here we go. Right, it's cured in the lamp. Leave it to cool and then wipe off the tacky layer. So I was just leaving it to cool there. If you take the tacky layer off too soon, you lose some of the matteness. It looks more like silky. No, I don't know what the word is, but wait for it to cool and then take the tacky layer off, and then it will be like as matte as it can be. So I'm going to use, oh, this is another design she done. I love this one as well. And I kind of felt like they kind of went together, or you could put them together. I'm going to go over with Gina. This is really nice. It's almost got like a sheerness to it. It would be really nice for doing a French set of nails, like a gel polish French. I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Then we're going to go over with the second coat. Do you know what? I don't know what it is. There's something about freshly applied gel polish that just, oh, I don't know what it is. It gives me all the feels. Look at that. Just freshly applied. Oh, love. I was looking at it for a little bit too long. Pop in the lamp, give it a cure for 60 seconds. Then I am going to go over with this is the base and top lac, I think that said. So this is, you can use this as a base coat and a top coat. If you use it as a top coat, obviously it's going to have a tacky layer. So what we're going to do is, because I want to put pigment on just a particular section of the nail, I'm putting this on first, wiping off that tacky layer. Now we can go ahead and apply the white gel polish where we want it, and because there's no tacky layer on that nail, it's the neon pigment will only stick to the gel polish that we have, this gel polish that we're going to put on now. I think I'm making sense. So I'm going to put this on in no random what's the word, just randomly on the nail, but it's kind of, I'm kind of thinking about where I want the lines to go. So I want them to go from one corner kind of down to the other, but because the nail tapers down, it's not going to go like all the way down to the bottom. It's going to come off the side a little bit, but you'll see what I mean in a minute. And when you're happy with the shape, again, look, you can see it's not neat. Pop it in the lamp. And then again, I'm going to go over with the neon pigments. Again, the orange sort of overtook all the other colours, but I didn't mind because I obviously wanted it to match the Magma lava nail. I thought I'd try again, but the orange was just still orange. Where have I gone? There I am. I don't, yes, I was going to say I don't even think I went in with the pink this time, but I did. I mean, you could kind of leave it like that. I was trying to just sort of blend it a little bit more. And then it just, yeah. The orange was like, bye-bye pink. This is my rodeo, bitch. Okay. There we go. And then I'm just going to brush off the excess pigment. And you can see that it is stuck on the tacky layer and not the rest of the nail. Then we're going to use the black gel paint. This is the Blingline gel paint. We're going to use this to outline our shape. Now I'm purposely making this line wiggly. I don't want it neat. I want it to look like a bit jagged, like almost like, you know, like you've cracked a rock almost. And then these are going to be the cracks. I don't know. Really, that's kind of what I feel like it is, but whether I'm sure she must have had that intention, because that's kind of what it looks like. I don't know, but I loved it anyway, and I thought, you know what, they'd go really nicely together, so I was like, I'm gonna give this a go. I think it's nice. I think it's a compliment sometimes when you want to like when someone says, oh, you know, I'd love to recreate these, I'm like, yeah, go for it, like, you know, if it's a set that I've done. But I feel like people should definitely credit other people. Like I'm gonna leave all their information down below. You know, I wouldn't never steal anyone's idea. I always put a recreation set if I'm recreating someone else's set, so I just think it's nice, you know. Do you know what I mean? Right, I've cured that for 60 seconds. Now we're going to go over with the matte. This is an all matte set because do you know what? I'm really annoyed with myself. I placed a Blingline order, and I've had 2 packets from them quite recently, and each time I forgot to get some more of this matte top coat. I'm kind of going through it really quickly, but I have got the matte in a pot actually, so it's not the end of the world. Then on this one, we're going to do 2 coats of Ankia, and as if by magic. And then on the, oh yeah, and top it off with the matte top coat. I love wiping off the matte tacky layer. It's like a reveal, and then look, oh, it just goes matte. It's amazing. I love that. And then we're going to do the same on our 4th nail. I'm not going to do a 5th nail because that would be the thumb, and I don't usually do thumbs anymore. You could just do like I don't know, just do a plain nail for the thumb. I'm going to put some crystals on. So this is going to go in the lamp. Look, oh, I love that. I've gone over with the matte top coat again. Left the nail to cool down. Now we're going to wipe the tacky layer off, and we're going to put some crystals on the black nail. I kind of wished I'd done them on that pink nail. I don't know why. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But these are the crystals I'm using. I don't know what this mix is called. I'm going to have to find it before I put the titles on this video. But this is it's got Swarovski flames in it. And these are the fire opal ones that I used in the last video. I have got some separate ones of these because they're so nice. But it's just got all the kind of right colours in it that I wanted for this set. And I'm going to show you me doing this, but I have sped it up. The only thing this time that I didn't show you me doing was adding the caviar beads, because I didn't want the video to be too long. So what I'm doing is I'm using the Crystal Totalist Gem Glue. Once I've used it up, I am gonna you can use the builder gel to apply stones. So I'm going to be using the Blingline gel after I've used this up to adhere my crystals. And I also want to see if the Super Bond, I want to see, because that has a really tacky layer, I want to see if I can use that as a foil glue as well. Lots of little things in my head that I need to have a go on, because I'm loving Blingline, but I am still new to the brand, so there are things that I want to, have a play around. So you can see here I'm doing a simple, almost kind of like a necklace, like a kind of necklace style crystal placement here. I don't think I told you, but I guess you can I can't think of the words to say. Crystal Parade is where I get the crystals, and you can use code NAT5 to get 5% off. That's what I was trying to say. So the caviar beads are going to finish off the crystal placement, and then this is the finished set. I hope you like them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Don't forget to check out Henrietta Nails on Instagram. All the information will be below, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with a brand new video. Have an amazing Tuesday. Nope, it's Wednesday. Bye!